My friend, let me tell you a truth you can never escape. Nothing in life is free. Every success, every dream, every victory you've ever seen in others. It came with a price, and that price is called effort, sacrifice, and discipline. If you want to rise, if you want to win, you must be willing to pay it. Today, I'll share with you 10 powerful life lessons that will remind you nothing is free, and everything worth having demands something from you. So listen carefully, because one of these lessons might just be the turning point in your journey. Lesson 1: Success demands sacrifice. You cannot hold on to comfort and expect greatness. Late nights, early mornings, missed parties, skipped pleasures. That's the price of chasing a dream. Ask yourself, what are you willing to give up so you can go up? Lesson 2: Time is the ultimate currency. You can lose money and earn it again. But when time is gone, it's gone forever. Every hour you waste is an hour you will never get back. Discipline is choosing how you spend your time with purpose. Lesson 3: Effort is non-negotiable. Hard work beats talent when talent refuses to work hard. You can be gifted, but without effort, your gift dies. Effort is the entry fee for every achievement in this life. Lesson 4: Discipline beats motivation. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is permanent. Discipline is doing what needs to be done even when you don't feel like it. Remember, emotions fade, but habits stay. Lesson 5: Failure is a teacher, not a punishment. You will fall, you will fail, but every failure carries a lesson. Pay attention, learn, and rise again stronger, because success is built on the stones of failure. Lesson 6: Growth requires pain. No muscle grows without resistance. No skill improves without practice. The pain you feel today is the strength you carry tomorrow. Comfort zones create weakness. Struggle creates growth. Lesson 7: Respect must be earned. People don't respect your words. They respect your actions. Discipline, honesty, and consistency build respect brick by brick. And once you earn it, it becomes your armor. Lesson 8: Dreams require action. A dream without action is only a fantasy. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Act now, because action is what makes dreams real. Remember, opportunities are not given, they are created. Lesson 9: Focus creates power. When you chase too many things, you catch nothing. Discipline is learning to say no to distractions so you can say yes to your destiny. Laser focus is the difference between ordinary and legendary. Lesson 1: Success has a price, but so does regret. You will pay a price no matter what, the price of discipline or the price of regret. One makes you stronger, the other haunts you forever. Choose wisely, because your future depends on it. So remember this: nothing in life is free. Every victory demands effort. Every success demands sacrifice, and every achievement demands discipline. If you are not willing to pay the price, you cannot earn the reward. But if you dare, if you commit, if you give your best, the world will open doors for you that once seemed impossible. Stay disciplined, stay hungry, and never forget, your future is worth the price.